Your headlight is probably the single most important component on your motorcycle. Introducing the Destroyer LED headlight by Denali, available through Zero. Let's get into this. We've got these lights available for Street Glide and a kit for the Road Glide as well. They're incredibly bright new lights, and I'll tell you something else about them. They're lifetime warranty. They're available, built by Denali, available through Zero, of course. And let me give you a little bit of a tour of what these guys do. So, first of all, they're easier to install than most of the other sets of lights that you see online. These are a brand new patented design. This is not some off-the-shelf light from somewhere else. These are absolutely 100% DOT and ECE approved. So this new Destroyer headlight, it's LED, it has a lifetime warranty on it. It's an easy to install setup. They're even adjustable after they're installed. We're the only ones that have that set up here. So they're DOT and ECE compliant. The DOT version is 110,000 candela, while the ECE version has 210,000 candela. It's a measure of brightness. It's all in one light though. You don't need to buy two separate lights. So just depending on if you're in Europe, you're covered, and if you're in the United States, you're covered with a DOT light. This patented original design also means you don't have to modify anything you don't have to cut or grind or worry about your amps or what's going to be in there. Everything just fits in the bike beautifully. So it's an easy install, like I said, you don't have to wreck your bike to put it in. The adjustable lens is also a great thing. So these lights, I left this one a little bit loose so I can show you now. Here, this you can adjust from the outside, and just with simple screws you can go in here and tighten it back up so you can adjust your height. You know, for ride heights, like you have a passenger, sometimes you want to change the adjustment a little bit and get the light just where you need it. Again, that's the only one that's got this, and that's why this is above and beyond the other options out. You might be looking at it and wondering, what's this guy right here? Well, these are removable. We'll call this the X lens. So those times, these are available sold separately. There's those times when you're driving and you hit some fog or something like that, and you need something going through that light, but you need it just a little bit muted. These act as a diffuser to help you see through the fog. And they just simply go right on here like this, snap right on, good to go. So this is our Road Glide, and this is how the kit will be when it's installed. It has a few different features that are good. Like I explained earlier, it's still adjustable. Also on this kit, one of the things that differs from many other kits is it's actually got brackets up inside that tie into the original fairing stop, where a lot of the other aftermarket ones leave it flopping around with a little side panel and like that. And we didn't like that, so we wanted to make sure that was nice and tight up there so it's secure. And the center light here, this is your low beam, and then the other ones are your high beam. So proof's in the pudding. Let's turn this thing on. As you can see, there's your low beam there. And as I showed you, we've got the X lens that goes on top of them that you can use or not. That's up to you. Again, they're sold separately. And this is low beam. Let me hit the high beam so you can see just exactly what this is going to look like. So you can see just the amount of light you're throwing there. It's just incredible. Now this is going to shoot a nice wide long pattern way, way down the road while still being compliant. Now this is the brightest light you can get and still keep your DOT and your ECE compliance. So there really is nothing else like this on the market. I think you're really going to enjoy these. For more information and fitment, go to zero3d.com or visit your local dealer and ask for Zero 3D. I'm Ken with Zero. Thanks for watching.